What's up, Showman Nation? It's your boy Showman here, back with another video. In today's video, yes, ladies and gentlemen, today, boys, back here with another. In today's video, I have a amazing video for you guys because today I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video for you guys. And today's unboxing video is going to be on a tripod, not just any tripod, a universal phone tripod. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's not your usual camera tripod because I already have one from my camera, which I'm not currently using at the moment. I'm currently using my phone at the moment, but the tripod that I'm using now for my phone to stand up on my phone, I'll just show you real quick. Let me just take it off this. The phone tripod that I'm using right now is just a regular old selfie stick. I know it's not like perfect or the right thing to use, so that is why I got that instead. And yes, in the background I am playing Fortnite, because after this video and I have this video posted and everything, I will be playing Fortnite. So just set that back up. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. The universal phone tripod. Let's open it up. I already opened it already. All I have to do is just pop it open. It's in a little case like this, and just pull it out like this. Bada bing, bada boom. So here it is, guys. It's just a regular like phone connector thing, just like it is with this one that I'm using now, but instead of it having one handle, it has three, just like a regular tripod would. So that way I can just go around like this, and I feel like now, since I have this, the content will be a lot better, and I can move around and do, like, since it's like little like this, I can move around better, and it will be more stable for you guys. So that way, when I use this selfie stick, I feel like I'm like all over the place here when I'm doing my videos. If I want to set you guys on the ground and have you guys like on a table or something, I could do that. Or like if I'm riding my bike or something, I can curl these like this, and I can I tried to or at least I could like curl you guys up like on my bike or something, and you know, take you guys with me or something like that. So pretty much it's just like a regular tripod stand. As the only thing that's different with the tripod, like a regular tripod, is this, obviously. Yeah, so that's the unboxing video for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy. I know this video is going to be very, very short. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an unboxing video. Thought it'd be cool to unbox this, and now the videos, I have a feeling, will be a lot more stable, more clear and stuff like that. And obviously when I go on like my trips and stuff to, you know, Costa Rica, if I ever go there again, or Disney or something, I could take this along instead of taking the old selfie stick. Then I can just take you guys around, put my phone on here. If I don't feel like taking my camera, obviously I'll still take my camera, but like if I don't want to like be like weird in a sense, I can just take this, put it on here, and just walk around with you guys like this. So yeah, that is it, guys, for today's video. I'm definitely gonna have a use for this, because what I'm gonna do after this video, I'm gonna take you guys off of this tripod, and selfie stick rather, and put you guys on here next time I do something. So I'm definitely gonna have a use for this. It's definitely more flexible, more like I have more to do with this rather than this, where this I have like sort of like a stand that I can put you guys on, stuff like that, whereas this, I'm only using my Xbox controller to stand you guys up. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you guys again for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the Don't forget your you're one of my kind. This is a big smiling face. Never take it off. Turn those notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye, guys. Peace. Yeah, before I forget, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Also, turn that bell so you never miss an upload. So down below is a description that has all my social media. That case, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Twitch account, my Xbox Live account. If you're an Xbox, when you go add the boy, they'll be down in the description below. Also, down below is a comment section. Go in there, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the video. If you guys have any video ideas or just anything about me and the channel, let me know down in the comment section below. Oh, and also, if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourself, I got this one at Big Lots, close near me for like $15. That's not bad, honestly. Because I'm not saying that I'm cheap, but like for $15 for a phone tripod, universal phone tripod, not bad, honestly. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys again for everything. And if you guys want to pick these up for yourself, like if you're starting out as far as like YouTube and stuff, or you just want to get one like this, so when you take like pictures and stuff, it's a lot better for you guys to see and stuff like that. I highly recommend it. I'm definitely going to be using this more rather than the selfie stick, because it's just a lot better, because I have more like grip, and you know, I could set, like I said, I could set you guys on like a table or something if I want to do like a video or something. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys again for everything, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, you were beautiful. I already did that. Yeah, so stay tuned for much more coming your way on the Sean Barocchio. See you, love y'all. Peace.